Get ready to fire up your abs with gentle yet powerful moves designed to strengthen your core, boost your metabolism, and improve your posture, all without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. And be sure to pay attention during the video because I'll be dropping a link for a special gift to help you on your yoga journey. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a diagonal stretch. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to knee. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active. Waking up the energy of your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Moving into a side crunch variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your elbows wide, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Adding on, inhale at the top. Exhale, reach one arm towards the earth, flexing through your side body. Continue flowing from right to left. With each exhale, focus on squeezing and contracting through your side body, activating your obliques while improving flexibility and lateral core strength. Release and go ahead and step your feet back to center. Moving into a seated march. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine with your core engaged, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide as you continue lifting your legs from right to left, moving at your own pace, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Adding on, inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, bringing opposite elbow to knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, moving from your waist, working through your obliques. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a toe touch. Inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a leg extension, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue with this movement, flowing through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center, moving into a boat pose variation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and hold, while keeping your spine long and your chest lifting. Release and repeat on the opposite side, toning through your abdominal muscles while strengthening through your low back. Release and continue moving from right to left, or for more of a challenge, lift both legs and hold. As you continue lifting through your chest, lengthening your spine, feeling your abdomen, spine, and hip flexors working. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide and 3 free full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.